Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX daily review. Now, we didn't get much movement on Friday. You can see that's Friday's daily bar there, which pretty much ended flat. The weekly did give us a pretty well extended bar, and the other thing on the weekly here is that we've broken through this megaphone formation as well. Okay, so there is merit for the upside, but we're also back on this neckline of this big head and shoulders, so there's also merit for a move to the downside. So 50-50 at the moment. Anyway, let's just get down to some lower levels that we can potentially trade. If I look at the 4 hour, I've got some diversions here. You can see, well, I suppose actually it's not diversions. Between here and here it's diversions, but between there and there it's not, because that's a high and a low. So anyway, scrap that idea. What we do have is some indecision. So you've got tails, 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 tails. So pretty much traders are indecisive of which direction to take this. Okay, if we just put up our trend line there, we could have a flat top triangle here. Okay, and it doesn't matter if I take it to there or if I take it to there, but either way, we do have a potential flat top triangle brewing. Now, these very rarely form on the top of a move, so don't be surprised if it suddenly turns itself into a wedge or into a channel like that, something like that. Okay, so that's kind of what could possibly happen. Let's just get down to the hour. Maybe there's something we see. I don't see anything here. The only thing I see right now is consolidation. There's my consolidation, and it's consolidation inside a 40-point range. So there's my range there. So yeah, I'm kind of in two minds about this one. I think we'll have to wait and see what the open brings. But with all these tails, you can see the indecision here. Momentum is dead. We're flat on the awesome oscillator. So we're also kind of in the middle of this range. You know, this one I think I'm going to sit on the sidelines this morning. Wait for something to happen. To me, it almost looks like we're going to be doing this fancy sideways dance for a bit longer and then picking a direction. So we're going to need some kind of news or some kind of event to drive this market in a direction. So yeah, so I think for the DAX, not going to look at it any further. I think I'll just sit on my hands with this one. I have a look at the US markets. Maybe there's something there, but it may be a case that this is a typical Monday and we just need to be patient and stay out of it until we get some form of direction. So yeah, I think I don't see anything here that I want to trade anyway, and I don't even want to take a stab at this right now. I think if we do get to the bottom here of 11,980, it's probably worth a long with a pretty tight stop. And if we do get to the top here, it's probably worth a short as well with a tight stop moving back down here. So I'm anticipating it staying on the range today. And that's kind of what I may trade if I do open the chart and look at it. But I'm definitely not putting any limit orders in for this one. Okay, sorry, that probably doesn't help you much today, but I think rather be safer than sorry. Keep your money in your pocket. There's nothing really that we can work with here. Just got to drill down to 12, make sure not missing anything. There's so many gaps all over the place. And when you see these kind of gaps on the lower time frames, that just adds fuel to fire, that there's no real direction. We also got some diversions here. You can see there's a high. We're kind of at a lower high there, and look at the oscillator. So at first glance here on the lower time frames, I suspect this little rally here is going to be short-lived, and we're going to move back the downside to the bottom of this channel. That's pretty much what I'm looking at the moment. Close all these little gaps here. I think there are some further down as well. That one closed. There's only this big one further down. Okay, there we go. That's it for me today. Not much help, but yeah, I think I'll just sit on the sidelines with this one. Okay, there we go. Enjoy the day. I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.